Hello YouTube, a quick follow-up video for the 228 LED. It doesn't come with the power jack, as I said in the previous video, and I made him one. So basically, in order to open this light up, you need to first take the lens off. It's got a plastic lens. You peel it off from the front, and then you can see the screw holes. Unscrew all the screws. That comes off, and then that comes off, and it really looks nice inside. You got two separate circuits for the cold and the warm white in each side of that finger, and yeah, it looks nice inside. And on the other side, you got enough space to shove the jack from the side. I just used my big ass welder to make a hole, and then just solder them to the battery. And I'm also using this kind of jack that when you put a jack into it, it disconnects these two. When it's not connected, these two are connected. So I'm going to connect the positive to this, so there is no chance that I will accidentally send power to the battery if I connect a battery and a power supply, because that could be bad. And that's it. I sort of messed this end up, but from that end it looks like factory, almost. Beside of the corner, I ruined it because I didn't know how to take it apart. So now you've seen this video, you know how to take it apart. You take the lens off, then you take the screws off, and then it comes apart. You don't try to force it. I thought that it was clicked in, but no, it's got screws under the lens. And by the way, the glue on the lens is so strong that you can retouch it using the glue that came from the factory, and it holds on very, very hard. So that's it. Quick mode, very easy. And then you can power this thing out of a 9-volt power supply. Should be fine. Or if you want to run it on 12 volts, you will probably need to stick a 2 ohm resistor in line with the power, so you won't fry the LEDs. That's it. Bye bye YouTube.